Hello everyone. Today we will learn subject Max Standard 5th Chapter 4 Parts and Whole Part 8. Today's my topic is like and unlike fraction and ascending descending order of fraction. Let's see previous topic which we have learned in last video. Numerator and denominator, equivalent fraction and types of fraction. Today we will learn first topic like fraction. What is like fraction? Fraction which have same denominator. Fraction which have same denominator is called like fraction. You can see in example 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 4. In all these three fraction, all the denominators are same. All the denominators are same, means they all are called like fraction. So once again, in like fraction, denominators of all fraction must be same, then that all fractions are called like fraction. Next is unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? Fraction which have different denominator. Fraction which have different denominator are called unlike fraction. Example 2 upon 4, 3 upon 8, 1 upon 3. You can see here all the denominators are different. One is 4th, second one is 8 and third one is 3. So all the fractions have different denominators. Means a fraction which have different denominators are called unlike fraction. Now comparison of like fraction. How to compare a like fraction? How to compare a like fraction? You can see here I have given example. Here denominators are 8 in both fraction. So what you have to do? Just you have to see the numerator. Whichever numerator is big in whichever fraction, that fraction will be greater than the remaining fraction. Once again, whichever numerator is bigger in like fraction, that fraction will be bigger than the rest one. Next topic, ascending order of fraction. Ascending order of fraction. Ascending order means smaller to bigger, smaller to big, small to big. Let's see, let's understand how to do ascending order of fraction by calculating an example. Now let's solve the ascending order of fraction. Now first question is there, in which all the fractions are having same denominators, means they are called like fraction. So when we arrange fraction which are in like fraction, it's easy to arrange them in ascending order. Just you have to see the numerator only because denominators are same. So whichever denominator is smaller, that you will write first, that is 1 upon 4, then 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4 and 7 upon 4. So we get the answer. It's very easy. What you have to do, just you have to see the numerator and arrange them in ascending order because denominators are same, so no need to do anything else. Second number, now we will solve a sum of unlike fraction. Suppose I take an example 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 4. Here also you can see all the denominators are same. All the denominators are same. So it's very easy to solve it. you can see here all the denominators are same, so just you have to see only numerator. Which numerator is smaller? 1 by 4, then 2 by 4, then 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. Just you have to see the numerator and arrange the fraction in order. Third number, now we will take unlike fraction. 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. Now you can see here all the denominators are different. All the denominators are different, so they are unlike fractions. So to find ascending order of unlike fraction, first of all we have to find LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator. Which are the denominator here in fraction? 4, 3, 5 and 6. 4, 3, 5 and 6. We have to take LCM of all these denominators. Let's find out its LCM. 2 is the smallest even prime number, so we'll start with it. 2 2s are 4. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, so 3 we write as it is. 5 also not come in the table of 2, so 5 as it is. In 2 table 6 come when 2 3s are 6. Now here 2 is there, so we will use again 2. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 as it is. Now we will take 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 remain as it is, 5 remain as it is, 3 1s are 3. Now only 5 remains, so we will take 5, 1 1 1 1. So now we will multiply these all the factors to find out the LCM. So LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 5. 2 2s are 4, 3 5s are 15. So 15 4s are is equals to 60. So what we get the LCM? 60. Now as we get the LCM 60, so we have to bring everywhere 60 as a denominator. So how we can find out how we can bring 60 as a denominator at every place of the fraction? So for that we have to multiply with any number with the given denominator in such a way that we get the 60 as a denominator. So let's try it. 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 5 and 5 upon 6. Now we will multiply in such a way that we get the denominator 60 in all the given fraction. In 4 table when 60 come, so if we multiply with 15, we get the 60. 4 15s are 60. 3 15s are 45. Now in 3 table when 60 come, so if we multiply with 20, we get 60 answer. 3 20s are 60. So 2 20s are 40. Now 5 is there. So in 5 table when 60 come, so if we multiply with a 12, we get the 60 as a denominator. 12 ones are 12 will come as it is. Now in 6 table when 60 comes, so if we multiply with a 10, then we get the 60. 6 tens are 60 as a denominator and 5 tens are 50. Now you can see here we get the fraction. Let's write them. 45 upon 60, 40 upon 60, 12 upon 60 and 50 upon 60. Now as we are arranging in ascending order, so from this fraction, which is the smallest fraction? So you can see here 12 upon 60 is the smallest fraction. So that's we will write first, and then after 40 upon 60, and then after 45 upon 60, and then after 50 upon 60. Now 12 upon 40 means which fraction? You can see here 12 upon 40 means what is the fraction? 1 upon 5. 40 upon 60 means which fraction? 2 upon 3. 45 upon 60 means which fraction? 3 upon 4. And 50 upon 60 means which fraction? 5 upon 6. So we get the answer of ascending order of a given question. Our answer is 1 upon 5, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6. Hope you understand the whole example. Now we will recap it once again. What was the question? 1 upon 4, 7 upon 4, 5 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. Here this in first example all the denominators are same. So for that we have to see only numerator. So which according to numerator we have arranged in ascending order and we get the answer. Now for third question you can see here 3 upon 4, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 5 and 6 upon 5 upon 6. Here all the denominators are different, so we have taken LCM and we get the LCM 60. We get the LCM 60. So we have to bring denominator 60 at every fraction, in every fraction. So we multiply in a such a way that we get 60 in all the fractions. And then after we arrange in ascending order and we get finally answer 1 upon 5, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 6. Hope you understand whole sum. Another topic, descending order of fraction. What is descending order of fraction? First of all, what is descending order? Descending order means bigger to smaller fraction, bigger fraction to smaller fraction. Now let us understand by solving an example how to find out descending order of a given fraction. Now we will see here descending order of a fraction. Descending means big to small. You can see here example number 1, in that all the denominators are same, so it is like fraction. So in like fraction we don't have to see denominator, just we have to see the numerator and arrange them in descending order. So let's see, descending order means bigger to smaller. So which is the biggest number in the given numerator? Here 6. So 6 upon 5, then 3 upon 5, then 2 upon 5 and then 1 upon 5. It's very simple and easy. Now let's take for unlike fraction 2 upon 8, 3 upon 4, 7 upon 2 and 5 upon 2. Here we have taken different denominator fractions, means it is unlike fraction. It is unlike fraction. So now whenever we are finding for unlike fraction we used to take LCM of denominator. So let's take denominators LCM 8, 4, 2, 2. Now into table 8 comes, when come 2 4s are 8, into table when 4 come 2 2s are 4, into table when 2 come 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is, 1 as it is. Now only 2 remains, so we will take again 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 1 1. Now we get LCM is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So our LCM is equals to 8. So now we have to bring denominators 8 by multiplying with any number in such a way that we get denominator 8. So let's see. 2 upon 8, 3 upon 4, 7 upon 2 and 5 upon 2. We have to multiply these all fractions in such a way that we get denominator as 8. So in 8 table when 8 come, 8 ones are 8. So we will multiply with 1. 2 ones are 2 and 8 ones are 8. We get the first equivalent fraction, means what first denominator as a 8. Second, now 4 is there. In 4 table when 8 come, so we will take 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Now for 7 upon 2, in 2 table when 8 come, so 2 4s are 8. So we will take 4. 4 2s are 8 and 7 4s are 28. Next is 5 by 2. In 2 table when 8 come, we multiply with 4, then we get 8. 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. Now we get the denominators 8 in all the fraction. Now we have to arrange them. 2 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 28 upon 8 and 20 upon 8. So we are arranging in descending order. So bigger number will come first. So which is bigger number in this fraction? 28. So 28 is a bigger numerator. So first it will come first. So 28 upon 8. Then 20 upon 8. Then 6 upon 8 and then 2 upon 8. Now 28 upon 8 means which fraction? You can see here 7 upon 2. So that we will write first 7 upon 2. Then 20 upon 8 is equals to which fraction? 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2. 6 upon 8 means which fraction? 3 by 4. And 2 upon 8 means which fraction? That is same, 2 upon 8. Now we get the answer of descending order of a given question. It's very easy and simple. Now let's do recap of the question once again. Descending order of the fraction. First of all, we have taken like fraction. So in like fraction, no need to do anything. Just you have to see the numerator and arrange in that order. We are doing here descending order. So we have to arrange in bigger to smaller. So we have arranged here bigger to smaller, 6, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So next question is what? Here question is given in unlike fraction form. So we have to first find out like fraction and then after only we can find the answer. To find like fraction, we have to take LCM. And we get the LCM 8. We get the LCM 8 and we multiply in such a way that we get the denominator 8 in every fraction. Means we get the like fraction. You can see here these fractions are like fraction. Now we have arranged this like fraction in descending order and then after we have seen that which fraction is the this fraction, original fraction is which. So we see here 28 upon 8 original fraction was 7 upon 2 that we write. Then after 20 upon 8 means which fraction? 5 by 2 that we have written. 6 upon 8 means which fraction? 3 upon 4 that we have written. And 2 by 8 means which fraction? That we have written. And in such a way we get the answer at the end. Hope you understand whole procedure. Hope you liked the video and understand all the topics of today. Thank you.